So at this point, we're almost 2 weeks away from the Unpacked event. I already covered all that's new on the Galaxy Z Flip and Fold 2 in the previous video, but now we have the official renders of the Galaxy S20 family, plus the prices in Europe, courtesy of Vishaan Agarwal. Let's start with the Galaxy S20. Here's how it looks. The screen is almost flat, but it packs all the features from the Plus, except the smaller size and battery to go with it, and the time-of-flight sensor. In Europe, that's gonna be €8.99 and €9.99 for the 4G and 5G variants respectively. And judging by Samsung's pricing strategies, I expect prices in the US to also be around $8.99 and $9.99. Now, we heard Samsung unfortunately decided to go Exynos 990 for the S20 family in Europe, which means the price difference should all be in the modem used, whether it supports 4G only or 5G and 4G. But the thing is, the Exynos 990 has an integrated 5G modem, so if all the Galaxy S20 models in Europe come with the Exynos 990, why that price difference? The already integrated hardware is capable of running both 4G and 5G, and the only way they can make an integrated 5G modem run only on 4G is through software. So is the presence of an additional piece of code going to bring down the price by €100? That is, unless we're missing something here, and something in the leaked specs was different than what we'll find in the 4G variants. And for the countries that will receive the Snapdragon variant, the Snapdragon 865 doesn't have an integrated modem, so you can use a cheaper 5G only modem with it. However, Qualcomm won't sell you the 865 on its own. You have to buy the X55 5G modem with it as a bundle. It has support for 4G as well, but it's more expensive than just using a 4G only modem. So for the US, for example, the 5G models will have the 865 and the X55, and Samsung will have to add another cheaper 4G only modem to the 4G variants, and then maybe use the X55 that came in the bundle for something else. Now, since the Galaxy S20 is supposed to be the successor to the S10e, with this price tag, how's it gonna compete with the iPhone 11 that costs about $150 less for the same storage capacity? I mean, it crushes it in every possible way except raw processing power, but $150 more? And some people may decide to make it a $200 difference. Those who are okay with this message being constantly on their screens in 2020. Alright, on to the S20 Plus. Looks like the display will be slightly more curved than the S20. And other than this, it's just an S20 with a bigger screen and battery and a time-of-flight sensor. The 5G variant will be €199/$. And Ishan didn't leak the price of the 4G variant, but if Samsung is doing the same thing as with the S20, then the 4G S20 Plus should be €999/$. The S20 Ultra, on the other hand, has no 4G only variant. You can still use it with 4G networks, but you'll pay the Ultra price either way at $1349 and €1549/$. For the 128GB and 512GB options respectively. Here we can see that the rumored look we covered was indeed true, so tell me what you think of how the camera module looks now. Also, in order to make these prices less damaging to our souls, Samsung will gift us the new unannounced Galaxy Buds Plus with pre-orders of the Galaxy S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra. We don't know what regions this will be available in, but the Galaxy Buds Plus are basically the original buds in terms of design, but they carry improvements in terms of sound quality and battery life according to leaks. Still no active noise cancellation though. And apparently pre-orders will continue until the 13th of March, so that's a month between launch and shipping, 2 weeks more than usual. Alright, I'll keep you updated, so consider subscribing with notifications on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.